This is how to find your affiliate ID. So you need to be logged into your System.io account, hover over dashboard, click on affiliate dashboard, and then scroll down to the right and you will see where it says your affiliate ID. Simply click on this particular icon where it says copy, and then you will see it says copy to clipboard. Then you're going to go to the app. You're going to click in here. You're going to copy and paste the affiliate ID, whatever you copied, and you click on save ID. Now it will say ID saved, and then you'll be able to scroll down and see the different products that are available for you to promote. And you simply click on generate link. Once you do that, you're going to see that a link is going to appear right here. You'll be able to copy and paste it on your button of your website. And you can click on any of them. So you'll notice that right now, this is the URL. If you click on this one, then you will see that it will generate another link. If you click on this one, it will generate another link, and you'll just be able to copy these links. The page you're actually seeing is going to be looking a little bit more like this, and it's going to work exactly the same way. You're going to put your affiliate ID here, click on save ID, and then you'll be able to generate the link. If you're not sure what these products are, you can always click on learn more and it will open in a new tab. You'll see that there's quite a few products in here. And if you keep scrolling all the way to the bottom, you will see the generated links right here. Now on this particular button, it will open to a YouTube video, which is going to give you a more complete tutorial about this particular software/app, so you can know how to make use of it as well. And also go over all of this information right here so you understand it a little bit more in case you're curious. But I did want to just cover how to get the affiliate ID so you just know how to use the app. In case you don't have an affiliate ID or a System.io affiliate account, your first step is actually click on Join Affiliate Program. After clicking that link, you will see a page that looks something like this. You're going to be able to browse through, but essentially you simply want to click on send me my affiliate links. It will come up with a pop-up. You enter your name here, just your first name is fine. And then your email address, which you want your email address to be associated with your affiliate account. So your affiliate account is going to be this email address. It does not have to be your PayPal, just your email address. It is more like a username. And then you're going to click on get affiliate links. Obviously, it will give you this error unless you have this information filled in. So make sure you fill it out and click on get your affiliate links. Once you've done that, you'll get an email. And in there, you're going to have something that looks like this that says affiliate dashboard. And you'll click on this link, create your account, and you'll see the affiliate dashboard as shown you earlier. Thank you so much for your consideration in using this tool and helping me spread the word and get my products and services out there as an affiliate. Really appreciate you. If you have any question, please contact me, contact@imranbukai.com, or connect with me on any of these social media platforms.